The global drone pipeline inspection market is expected to reach a valuation of $336.1 million in 2023 and is expected to progress at a CAGR of 14.2% to reach $1,161.3 million by the end of 2033. In 2023, the global drone services market is estimated to be valued around $6.6 billion. While the drone inspection service market will be valued at $2 billion. Drone inspections can automate manual inspection processes, speed up inspections and collect data, eliminates manual operations and wasted time that can lead to unsafe situations, and closely monitor incidents. The gas and oil industry uses drones for pipeline inspection, infrastructure inspection, and disaster monitoring and mineral exploration. Now, drones perform inspections while continuing to operate at a fraction of the cost. Drone efficiency is rising as a result of improvements in inspection drones and their features, including AI or ML, high-definition cameras, infrared cameras, GPS, and LiDAR. North America acquired a share of 29% in the drone pipeline inspection market globally in 2023. Service providers have begun using drones for inspection in the oil and gas sectors in countries like Italy and France. Since they can take off and land vertically, rotary wing drones are used in applications that need line-of-sight inspection.